If you're having trouble logging into Po AI, like the page not loading, password errors, or being stuck in a login loop, don't worry. These are common issues and can usually be fixed in a few simple steps. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to fix Po AI login issues step by step. First, make sure you're entering the correct email and password. Even a small typo can prevent login. If needed, use the Forgot Password option to reset your account. If email login doesn't work, try using Google, Apple, or any other sign-in method you originally used. Po AI accounts are often tied to one login method. Next, refresh the page or restart your browser completely. Sometimes login sessions get stuck, and a simple restart clears the issue. If you're stuck in a login loop or seeing errors, clear your browser cache and cookies. Old stored data can interfere with authentication. VPNs, ad blockers, or privacy extensions can block login requests. Try disabling them temporarily and reload the page. If the issue continues, open Po AI in incognito mode or switch to another browser like Chrome, Edge, or Firefox. Sometimes Po AI itself may be down. If the servers are experiencing issues, login will fail for everyone, and you'll just need to wait and try again later. A weak or unstable internet connection can also block login requests. Restart your Wi-Fi or switch to mobile data and try again. If you're using the mobile app, make sure it's updated, or try logging in from the web version instead, which can often work better. And that's how to fix Po AI login issues. Yeah, most login problems come from cache errors, wrong credentials, or temporary server issues. Once you try these steps, you should be able to get back in without trouble. Thanks for watching and good luck.